Hi everyone, Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. I'm just lining you up a bit better because I moved the camera. I'm in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 40 by 50 centimetre canvas to which I've added some black paint. And I have white, gold and silver, and rather a large marble, a glass. I'm going to put the paints on and do a bit of rocking and rolling with the marble around on the canvas. And I have got some OGX in the white. So the recipes for the paints and pouring medium you will find below the video under show more. I'm just going to do this, getting the paints on. Hopefully it will be very, very pretty. I just hope that my paints are thick enough for whatever it takes to do this. Okay, so everyone's got some white. A little bit of gold here, so now everybody's got some gold. And let's see, some people need some silver. Silver, 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 sweet. And plonk right in the middle is the aforementioned marble. Okay, so here we go. Going to be interesting how this works. Well, it's certainly pretty on the marble, that's a fact. You know what I might do, since I have some here. I'm going to put a little bit of black here and there as well. Just, I think that will look good too. Rolling it around. Oops, missed that one. It's no easy feat keeping this marble going, but here we are. Okay, that might be enough of a pattern there. Certainly got some pretty pieces there. Winston, you're not going out there. Okay, so let's put that down. I'm taking off gooey. Oops, there we go. I'll just put this over here. Right. So that's that. Oh, now. Come out over the edges. And finally over this last one. Bringing it back and over. Wow. A bit more. Yes. That is really, really brilliant. I don't know if the camera's picking up the gold and that. Look at that on my hands. Beautiful. I don't know if the camera's picking up the gold and the silver, but right, I'm going to go and rinse my hands off and then I'll be back in a minute. Right, I just went and got my hit gun and give it a little blast. So I'll just put this down over here, excuse my arm and what have you. And getting up some nice cells here. And I'm very happy with this painting, it's really good. So let me bring you down to take a look. Take it out, and that's what I've been looking at. And as you can see over here where my shadow isn't, the silver and gold are really, really, really nice. And I think this is quite spectacular. It'll be really nice once it gets varnished. And you can see the beautiful patterns. The cells are growing. And I'm very happy. Winston's a bit upset. A big green tree frog has come in. He's out in the back room there, and I won't let Winston out. He chases them. And I think the poor little thing should be left alone. Not that it's so small, it's about as big as my hand. But I like them. So it's quite happy to be there, Winston. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed. Please give this the thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. So bye for now.